I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and today's mini lesson is all about uploading and using patterns. So all we really need for this particular project is a blank canvas and a couple of patterns that we can upload. Usually they come in the form of digital papers, so you can take any digital paper you have and upload it as a pattern, and I will show you how to use it. So let's get started by starting a new canvas. So we want a new project, and then we're going to go to the upload. Now what we're going to do here is not upload an image this time, but we are going to upload a pattern. So I'm going to click on upload, and then we have to browse for our pattern. Now I have several patterns here that I can use, and some of them are little mini houses, and I've got quite a few of them. See what this pattern is all about. That is some leaves and flowers, and that looks pretty good when you look at it. All I need to do here is save that pattern. Now you may wonder what happens to it and where it went, but right now it's just saving it. I had to change my pattern out. It told me it was too big, so I found a different one that I could upload. That could happen for you as well. Most of the ones I have are PNG files. Normally they're not that big, but you could use a JPEG as well for a pattern. So I'm just going to save this one. And there we go. And now it looks like nothing in particular has happened. So I'm going to go back to the canvas. In order to do that, you can just click on canvas up here. Now what we want to do is maybe put some shapes on the screen, and let's get a circle, a couple of circles here. Let's make one red and maybe the other one blue. Now I'm going to take this particular circle. Right now it's set to cut and fill, but what we want to do is come over here and click on print. That's going to change this to a cut and print image. But now once we've clicked on print and where it shows the blue, if I click on the blue here, it has print type. Right now it is set to color, but hidden underneath here, you're going to find pattern. And then you'll be able to see some of the patterns that are uploaded. Now I've uploaded quite a few, but there are a lot that have come with the program. So this is the one I had just uploaded. And you'll see how it filled my shape. Now when I do a print and cut, it's going to print this shape with the pattern. So let me just enlarge this. So it'll print it out this way. Now the biggest thing right here with that is it's going to print on the outside of it because it's a pattern fill. It's not going to print all the little pieces or cut all the little pieces out, and that's exactly what we want. Let's look at this one more time. Let's make this guy bigger. Let's find a different pattern. So we're going to have to come up here once again to print, click on the color, change from color to pattern. And I have quite a few other little patterns here you could fill it with. But let's go down here. Here's a plaid. As you can see, that plaid makes a change. But what if I came here to edit pattern? What I can do is I can scale this up or down. So I can make the plaid a lot bigger. Let's type in 200 and see what we get. You can see how it changes. Let's try 400. So you get more of a pattern here, a larger one. Now if I click away from this, you'll see I got a huge pattern in here. Now I might not necessarily want that, so all I need to do is come up here and click, go back to edit my pattern. It's set at 564 right now, so let's move it back down to 150 and click on the X. And now I have a pattern fill like this. Now it doesn't have to be a shape. It could be anything that you bring in or anything that you draw on the screen. I'll show you one more example. I'm going to go click on my upload. Now I had a leaf or two here. Here's one. I have a leaf. I'm going to bring that in. These are SVG files. So what I want to do is ungroup these I want to take this one little leaf. I'm going to change it for a cut to a print. I'm going to change its color and go here and pick a pattern. Now for the leaf, I could pick something totally different. Now I'm not too sure what this is. Kind of a little pattern for a leaf. I can edit that pattern. Now I can also rotate my pattern. So if I decide I wanted that to go on a 45-degree angle, and I'm not too sure what I would want to do with that. I want 45, and let's rotate it 45. And we'll bring up the pattern, so let's call it a 125. And let's click the X, and you'll see that I get a different crisscross pattern here. Let me just move these out of the way. So you can see you can decorate a lot of things. Now this one has holes in the middle, but you could come through here. Now watch what I can do with this one. I can click on contour, hide all my contours, click an X, and you see I get the entire black. I can come up here, I can change it to print. Let's click on it one more time. Let's change from color to pattern. Now I have other things that I can make the pattern with in here. There's a lot in here that come with. Let's try something. Let's try this one right here. You see I've got little words that are in there. Let's go to the edit pattern. Oh. Edit pattern. Now let's make this a little bigger so we can see it. Let's make it 250. I'll click on the X, and now you can see it's little candies that are in there. So that is a couple of ways that you can fill a shape with a pattern. So that's uploading a pattern, filling a shape with it, and using it as print and cut. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. You can just mess around with any shape that you have and fill it with a pattern, print it and cut it, and put it on a card, or you can make stickers with these as well. So until next time, I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. Happy crafting!